What's up, guys? Today we are making an amazing protein smoothie. You guys are absolutely gonna love it. If you guys like coffee and peanut butter, bananas, I've got you covered. So what we're gonna do first is you wanna get ice. I would say about 2 cups of ice. I kinda eyeballed this, but we're gonna put ice in the blender first, and then what we're gonna do is add some cold coffee. I got this from the grocery store. It's actually Starbucks, super fancy. But you guys can totally make coffee, put it in the fridge and let it cool. This is just nice and convenient, and I love cold coffee. So I'm gonna do 1 cup. So just here. Once again, you guys can totally eyeball, but I'm not that great of an eyeballer, so measuring it is. So we got 1 cup of that. Then I use a 25-calorie cashew milk. If you would prefer to use almond milk, you totally can. But we're gonna go 1 cup of this as well. Wonderful. And then we are going to add our banana. I have 1 whole banana. You don't have to use a banana, but the ice will come out a little bit chunky. The banana is gonna help make it nice and creamy and smooth. So adding our banana in. And then lastly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of a powdered peanut butter. I'm using PB2. You can totally use an off-brand. I do 2 heaping tablespoons. Like that. And now, it is time. Wonderful. Okay, so that was about 10 seconds. You guys can do it to your liking. If you want to blend it a little bit more, you totally can. But we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make it super, super cute. So what I want to do is we're gonna take our Hershey syrup. This is the lighter kind. We're gonna do this. So you're gonna take it and you're going to put it around the edge of your cup, just like this. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna take our drink, get it off, and pour it into our cup. So obviously, there's a lot here. Save it for later, give it to the puppy. And then lastly, this part is what makes it super yummy. We're gonna take our Ready Whip. I'm using the light kind, fat-free. We're gonna do this right on top. And then we're gonna add some mini chocolate chips. I'm telling you guys, you cannot forget the chocolate chips. It makes it super yummy. And we're just going to sprinkle. And then you can totally eat the rest. And then we have some nut toppings. We're gonna add these. Wonderful. And then don't forget to get a super cute straw. Makes it that much more fun. And it is done. It's so good.